Model, 2015 Ford Transit 2.2TDCi 125PS 350 L4H1 front-wheel drive, spares OR repairs X long wheelbase, massive open-mouth smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 201,438. MOT, 14 July 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 PS TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a misfire. Engine is shaking, will need repairing or replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, air con, reversing camera. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more.